The dawn of the petroleum and energy industry installations in Ghana has come with it the high demand for welding and fabrication services. However, these services have to be carried out within acceptable international standardization and specifications, without which major accidents abound and multi-billion-dollar contracts are jeopardized. Danest Engineering Company Limited's Welding Destructive Testing Laboratory in Takoradi has therefore come with a solution for welding testing in Ghana.
Danest Engineering Company Limited is a total welding solutions company. We are into welding consulting, welding education and training. We're also into inspection and quality control. We operate a laboratory for destructive testing, all in the same yard in the Ghana Highway Authority in Takoradi East. Over here, what we do is that the contractors are required to qualify their procedures, their welding procedures. And so they bring us the weld samples, and then we take samples out of them, and then we do the testing on these samples. Now, some of the tests that we conduct are the tensile testing, the bend testing, the hardness testing, and the Sharpie impact testing. And these are custom-made equipment dedicated solely for that. And these must meet international requirements in the testing industry. And fortunately, this is the first one in the country. When the sample is brought in from the various centers, we want to ensure we work according to the requirements of the specification that we have been given. For instance, this is a bend test. See, you put the area of the weld in tension, and then you can visualize it and see whether there are imperfections on it. If there are not, then the weld passes. Sometimes you have some that break like this one, and that is not good. This is the hardness testing machine that tests to the Vickers, right? So, and this is a sample which we want to know the hardness on all these marked areas. So when this is placed over here, there is an indenter in this. Yes, when it's adjusted right, then the indenter is actuated and it makes the indentation on that. And then the readings can be seen on this. And then that is read and then written to be compared to the required standard. All contractors will have to go through this procedure to have their procedures qualified. And that is what will allow them to work in the industry or to get contracts. As we've seen, Danest Engineering Company Limited is the company that has established the first mechanical testing laboratory meeting the requirements of ISO 17025 for the performance of mechanical testing for the oil and gas industry. And therefore, companies like JVC, Weld, Belmet, and Group 5 who work on the Yinsin project for ENI use this place to qualify their procedures.